We are on JCore for all our publications, all the journals. We also have our own Drupal server and platform in DC, and that's where we publish our online daily news and our careers content. And so it's really important to us that we're able to keep those two platforms in sync, and so that the user has a seamless experience, doesn't realize when they're on JCore versus when they are on our Drupal instance. So for AAAS, we have a unique mission in that not only are we serving the researchers, it's very important to us that the research content on the JCore site is, top-notch, and it looks like the sort of state-of-the-art of what people expect for research content. But that we also have the capability to have the shorter, the more punchy pieces, the more graphically enhanced, the more image-intense pieces that are more typical of a consumer-facing product. Because AAAS is really moving into a more member-facing organization, particularly is our role in advocating for science and the use of science and fact-based policymaking. So it's really important that our whole site pull together, and that we hopefully can move people from the research, which is the fact base for policy, as well as to then the analysis and the opinions and the breaking news. So that's been a really good that both platforms are Drupal. We can achieve that more easily. You can easily move between our journals and recognize you're still within this, the science family, and our brand carries a lot of importance. And it's so the sites are well branded, and they hold together nicely. And we've been able to take advantage of some design efforts, and we've worked really closely with HighWire. We've sort of brought some of our skill set in, and we just recently renewed our contract with HighWire, primarily because we were interested in this idea of co-development, where we can kind of both learn from each other. They have some very good experience within the Drupal community, but we have sort of some experience from a little bit more the consumer side. We've enjoyed the fact that there has been this more openness to be a partner with us, and to understand that we do have some different needs, and to work with us to achieve those goals, and to stand out in the world as a really solid resource for scientists as well as for the general public. And understanding that sometimes that means we have to be a little bit more graphic intense, image intense, things that some of the other journals aren't. It's very exciting. I think the co-development lets us have more access to the professional services at HighWire, more consistent access, and it allows us to share knowledge and really partner, which we're excited about that.